In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a mega menu that combines both category items and linked lists for the new and featured menu. Let's get started. Here's a preview of what we're going to build. Follow along to create this advanced mega menu for your store. First, open your Shopify theme editor. Navigate to the header section and add the Mega Menu with Options section. Now, click on the Mega Menu section. Select with both for the layout option, then assign the menu location by choosing Item 1 in the menu assignment location settings. This ensures the Mega Menu appears under the correct navigation item. Secondly, add 5 more collection items to expand the menu structure. Since we are only building 2 menu sections, hide one of the default menu items to keep the layout clean and focused. Now, let's edit the mega menu content. Start by editing the text block. Insert a heading, then remove the subheading to create a continuous visual flow that seamlessly connects the heading with the 5 collection items. Thirdly, assign multiple collections to each menu item. Repeat until you have 5 category items after that. Edit the menu item by inserting heading. Then selecting collections for the menu. When you select more than 9 collections, the columns will automatically break into 2, ensuring a well-organized layout. Don't forget to add a button text to guide users toward more content. Repeat the process for the second menu item. Finally, enhance the design by editing the introducing block. Add an engaging image with text, insert a heading and subheading. Choose a compelling image and add a button text to direct customers to your desired page. And that's it. You've successfully built a mega menu that combines both menu items and linked lists, creating a visually rich and user-friendly navigation experience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.